In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background images to an email in Klaviyo. We'll start from the Klaviyo dashboard and end with a clean preview you can test so you'll know exactly how your design looks before you use it in a campaign or flow. From the home dashboard, head to the content area, then open templates. This is where all your email layouts live. Click Create to start a new template. You'll see options for email or WhatsApp. For this tutorial, choose email. Give your template a clear, memorable name so you can find it later, and continue into the email library. Inside the library, you can browse or search. Use the search bar if you already have a style in mind, or filter by template type to narrow down your choices. You'll also notice Email, Saved, and WhatsApp Saved tabs. If you land on the WhatsApp tab by mistake, switch back to Email, save to see your email templates. If needed, click back into the email library to confirm you're in the right place. If you're not already editing an email, click Create again, choose Channel, select Email, name the template, and click Create. Klaviyo will open the email editor, which is where we'll add the background image effect. In the editor, drag an image block onto your canvas. While some email clients limit true background images, placing a full-width image behind or above your content often achieves the same visual impact. Click Select Image. If your image isn't uploaded yet, choose Upload and either drag and drop your file or browse to select it. Large, high-contrast images work well, but keep file size reasonable. Compressed JPGs or optimized PNGs help emails load faster and look crisp on mobile. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see it in the image library. Open the library, choose the image you want, and click Select. You can now resize or reposition the block so it reads like a background section for your header, announcement, or hero content. If you plan to place text over the image, ensure strong contrast and sufficient padding. A semi-transparent overlay baked into the image can improve readability across devices. When you're happy with how it looks, click Preview and Test. This lets you see both desktop and mobile views and confirm that your image scales correctly. Finally, click Done to save your work. That's it. You've created an email template in Klaviyo and added a background style image using the image block approach, complete with upload, selection, and preview. Save this template as a starting point for future campaigns to keep your branding consistent and your workflow fast.